Good morning, my first grade friends. So, we're going to start something today that we're going to be doing every day this year. We're going to be working on sight words because we have a lot of sight words to learn in first grade. And so, we're going to have what we call a digital word wall that we work on every week. Every week, you're going to have 10 words that we're going to add to this word wall. And we're going to start right at the beginning of list A. So, what we're going to do is every Monday, I'll send you a video just like this that's going to show you the new 10 words that we're going to add. And at the end of our video, you're going to get to see our word wall. And every week, our word wall is going to grow by 10 words. And so then after you practice it with listening to it on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'm going to have a little game to play with it. So I'm going to give you some clues, and you're going to look at the words on the word wall and figure out what word I'm thinking of. We're going to call it the mystery word game. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So let's see what our first 10 words on our word wall are going to be. So we have the, at, I, to, in, is, you, it, a, and. Oh, and there's our word wall. As you can see, all 10 words that we added today are added on here. Each week, like I said, 10 more will be. So if we look under A, you can see that we have a, at, and. Under I, we have it, in, is, I. Under T, we have the and to, and under Y, we have you. Remember, starting tomorrow, we're going to play a mystery word wall game. So if you want, you can go back and look at these words on the word wall today to practice them. And if not, I'll see you tomorrow on the word wall. Thanks, guys.